What is happening, y'all? It's Neff again. I'm gonna show you guys something today that a lot of you probably haven't seen or don't know how to do, but I'm gonna show you guys here. We have, all right, there we go. We have the valve head for the BMW 325i. Valves and everything have already been taken apart. What I'm gonna do today, hopefully I can get this camera set to where you guys can see. I'm gonna show you how to install the little valve seals, which go inside this little chamber here. Let me show you guys real quick. They go. So here is where all the seals go. As y'all can see, I already took all the old seals out. Here are the old seals. You see, they're focus, baby. They don't look too good. Burnt out. The rubber piece on the top aren't sealing properly. But since we're working on this car, my daughters want to get it running for drifting. We're gonna do everything possible so we know that this engine is gonna be G to G, you know what I mean? So what I have here, they're super simple to install, by the way. I like putting a little bit of oil. Well, I got engine assembly lube, but up here, so whenever the valve does go through, it's a little lubricated so it doesn't get stuck or the rubber piece messes up on it. But let me show you. Super simple to install. What I have a 10mm deep socket with an extension. It's a 3/8 inch socket, just a deep 10mm. And what I do, I get the actual seal, I put it on the 10mm, and there, we're going to show you how to push this bad boy in. It's not that difficult. So make sure it's nice and lined up, and that's all it takes. The bad boy is already installed. I'm going to show you guys right now what it actually looks like. So you see, the first one is installed. Compared to these, let me find one that's not too messed up. Okay, compared to this one, I don't know if you can see, yep, there's where the valve goes through on this one, and look how that one looks. It's a lot tighter. See the hole on this one, and there it is, the hole on that one. So that will actually prevent a lot of oil to go through. Alright, there we go. It'll prevent a lot of oil to go through, and it won't burn. Like one of them times you're stopped at a light or whatever and you see the car take off, smoke comes out. So this will prevent it. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you follow and subscribe, because there will be more videos coming up. Peace.